And we need to create some scripts that will work like state manager and switch created states between each other with necessary logic. And let's create it and name it like application state manager. Application state manager. Let's add it headers. States. And there will be all our states. Also, we added a field that will name start state. It will be bootstrapping state. State that our game will start it. And we need to understand what our current state, so we will add private variable current state. What method we will need? So first of all, we need something that will update our states.
Pop.
So we will have to our current state, and let's add some logs to understand what's happening inside the scripts and methods. And we go with our state. Let's use help with writer. So we have three states: bootstrap and menu and game. And what we will do is this switching. We will add a simple handle method that will handle each state. And do the same with all the states. Also, we will have method that can help switch the state between each other. We need to add some simple check if the state already in, so we don't need do anything. And what we will do other things when we complete the state, we will use simple solution to switch the state when necessary. And sorry about it. Let's fill this method. What do we do? First of all, we change our current state sorry, we will add state current state instance that will help us to work with current state, and we will set current state instance can create bootstrapping state, set up bootstrapping state and set on complete action on state complete handler, and we will call method on enter. The same behavior we will use with other methods. Right, so it's minimal things that we need to work with states. Let's set up these states inside our game in Unity. We will add empty game object and call states. And inside this parent we create empty child for each states and applications that we have. So we need to create 4 empty game objects. I found a mistake, so I need to fix it. Menu state, game state, and let's check that everything is correctly. Menu state is menu state, game state is game state. Our start state is bootstrapping, so now everything set up correctly. And let's see what we see in our logs. What we should to see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add this. And when we're starting, we're adding method that switch our state to start state. We will do this with enumerator while, because we want to do some pause delay in start. Now each method is implemented, so we can check our logic. Sorry about it. Focus it and let's see. Now you can see that we have start, switching state, and sorry about it. We don't see where we switch, on which state we switched. Yes, I will add it. Now you can see that we switched to state bootstrapping and everything works fine. Now when we implemented application state manager, we should switch to our bootstrapping state and prepare two things. First of all, we should add logics that connect our game to our WebSocket service. And second thing that we should implement is remove logics that already started game scene. And added logic that game scene should load it only after we connect it to our WebSocket. Let's implement this. Okay, let's continue to create logic to connect on our WebSocket service. I will add method, async method that connect to server, and use session flow controller run async. And I need to add comparison that result is okay or not. Let's add it. If our connection result is without an error, so we call on connected to server success handler. If we have some issues, we should call methods that have error. And return from this method. For now, it's all that we need to connection. Next things that we need, we should add log that we connected. And if we have some issues. And let's check if it's work. We should attach session flow controller to variable in inspector. Save this and let's take so we call necessary method because I think we did not use it, and we should do this on enter. Now we can check. Let's run. Let's see that we in our console log bootstrap and not enter it for some reason. Let's check our code. Maybe we have some issues inside. Bootstrapping, yeah. Oh, I found the issue. Our current state is the same that we want to run. So I think we should add none. First one, and second one we should set concrete values that in the start it's none, because we go to this logic. We have this checking and constant equals bootstrap, and we return for this method. Now we should to fix. Let's check again. Now we see that we connected successful. Okay. So next step, it will be a change current logic that we loaded this one script and change it to bootstrapper state when we load it to server and switch to the game scene. Let's do this. Take this method, go to our unconnected successful handler and add this. And this one script we will disable and check if everything works smoothly. Now we need to see, should see a black screen with loading before we connecting to our server. Yeah, now everything works perfect.